guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Portia Peme of Home Styling by Portia and AHS_ by Portia on Instagram. If you're not following me over there, please do, and pretty please follow me, like, share and comment, and please subscribe on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a home decor haul. If you don't know, or if you've not been following, I'm currently refreshing my bathroom. So the items I bought are for the project and a few small items for the house. Also the theme or the color scheme that I'm following for my bathroom is black and white, monochrome. And the bathroom that I'm doing, because we have two bathrooms in the house, it's the one that everyone is using, and then I have like a small shower in my main bedroom. So that is the one that I'm currently busy doing. So I have a Pep home haul, Osbro, and a few items from Checkers. So without wasting any more of your precious time, let's get to it. So let us start with the Pep haul. So some of the items that I had got in this bag don't have price tags anymore because I've used some of the items, but most of them, they're still new. I just got them from the shop, I think yesterday if I'm not mistaken. So I got this photo frame. This was about, if I'm not mistaken, this was $9.99. This was 10 rand. On this, I'm going to get bathroom coats from Pinterest. I had done my own that was saying nice part, so I want a printed one that will look nicer with the whole styling of the bathroom. So I'll print it here and put it on this frame. I got these planters. The planters, they come in different, I'm not sure if I should say shapes, or the printing on them, they're different. So the price of these are $29.99. I got this one, and I got this one as well. I'm not sure if there's 4 prints in total that they have these on, but if not, then it's these 3. Then, oh, my favorite, I love this milk jug, guys. I gave mine because I had one. I gave mine to a friend of mine. She saw a picture that I had taken making breakfast, and I had this, and she said she wanted one, so I gave her that one. Then I bought another one. This was only it was $12.99. Yes, $12.99. I love this. I got this pillar candle. This was $39.99. $39.99. This pillar candle, I'm gonna put it, I have a silhouette black vase, so this is where I'm going to be putting, that's where I'm gonna be putting this pillar candle on. Then I bought this small vase. This I have another vase that I painted terracotta, but this one I'm gonna paint white because the drawing I'm gonna do it in black. So I'm gonna paint this white. This was $18.99. And then I got this vase. This vase was on sale. It was $19.99. But then it's not my color scheme. However, I love the texture on it. So what I'm gonna do on this is I'm going to spray paint it white or black. I'll see which color will be dominating, then I'll just choose another color for that. And then I got these are written flower pot, so I'll put these on my planters. These were $24.99 each. $24.99, so I got 2 of these. I got this as well. I'm not sure, this is one of the items that I said I don't have a price tag on, but I think it should be between $24.99 and $29.99. I got this. Ooh, and then my favorite buy. This is my favorite, guys. I have been looking for a mat for my bathroom. However, this one, because I tried it, it's a bit longer than my bathroom, but I'll make a way for it. Don't know if I'll cut it, but I don't want to cut it. Maybe I'll just fold it. This was at the back. It's white, cream white or beige, and then in front it has this nice black and white print on it. This was going for $119.99. However, when I got to the till, the lady told me that this was $89.99. So I got this for 90 rands. Lucky me, and this was the last one, guys. So that's the check. That's about everything that I got from Pep Home. So now I'm going to move over to the Osbro haul. Let's just make space for the other things that I got. There we go. Okay. Like I said, some of the things are not bathroom related. Like these mugs, I got them because I had, you know, see those, just that they are fine now. I didn't bring one to show you guys. I have those, okay, never mind. But I got these for a steal, guys. Can you imagine? I got this for 25 rands, just 25 rands. And this is the size. This is the size. I love these. I love these. Like I said, I got a few things for the house which are not bathroom related. So this is one of those things. This, I think I paid 20 rands for this. It's a back scrub. Then I got this, guys. You will not believe how much I paid for this. I'm gonna hang it over my door to keep my towels and to keep my towels on. This was going for only 28 rands. Only, guys, only. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm going to spray paint it black so that it goes with the theme. I got this frame. This frame was going for 32 rands. So what I'm gonna use this for, just like that, excuse me, just like that vase that I got, that I said I was going to spray paint white and then do some line drawing, excuse me. This one I'm going to get a print out from Pinterest. I think I'll go with a line art of a naked lady for the bathroom. I've not decided yet what I'm gonna print and put here, but then it's along those lines. So this was 32 rands. And then I got this. This is for the toothbrush. However, guys, don't laugh at me. I know it's this purple. It's a toothbrush holder, but then I'm gonna spray paint it black. It was 9 rands 50. I got this squeegee to clean my shower window. This was 13 rands. Show you if this is showing, but this was 13 rands. I got, what else did I get? I got this bottle. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it like this or if I'm going to spray paint it black and leave the top white. This I got for 18 rands. This I'm thinking I'm gonna put my shower gel in it so that it just blends in and not use the original container, which might be in a sort of a different color. So I'll put it in here. And then at Osbro, guys, they are Western at Pep Home. I swear this was... Sorry for that. The maze. So I got this wine glass. I'm not a big wine drinker. However, I love myself wine glasses. I might even not even use it for wine. I love my gin and tonic, so I might just have it here, or if I feel like wine once in a while, then I'll have it on this glass. But I love it. I love the gold rim on it. And this was only 25 rands, guys. 25 rands. Let's put it on the floor. And then I got some candles. The candles were... I got the small ones because then I have I have two candle holders that are very small. This is the size. So I'm hoping these will fit on my candle holders, because the candles that I have currently, they are bigger than the holders. So I'm hoping these ones will fit for 12 rands 50. So, oh, also guys, I nearly forgot, and I got these as well. These mirrors, they come in a pack of 3, and I got them for, I'll tell you now. I got them for 125. Can you believe that? 125. So what I had spent on Osbro was just over 400 rands. It's 402 for everything. Guys, this, I'm dreading to open this, because like those guys, they use every paper that's in front of them to cover these things. It doesn't matter if it's 4 sheets, they will just use it. So it's these 2 bowls, but they are different. This one is more deeper. Excuse me. This one was 6 rands 50. So the reason I bought these, guys, is so that when I'm having my breakfast, I have a place where I can put my fruits on. So this was 5 rands 50. And then this I'm going to use for my fruits as well. When I'm having my gin and tonic, maybe with some friends, then I can put some sliced lemon, strawberries, or whatever that we're going to be putting on our drinks. So this was 8 rands. So this was everything that I had gotten from Osbro for 402 rands. And then, just like I said, that I got just I think it's just 2 items, not even a few items. A checkers I got spray paint. I got this matte black one, which I'm going to be using to spray some of the items that I'm going to be using in the bathroom. This gold one as well. The gold one I'm going to use, I'm going to do a DIY on a tray that is going to be black and gold. I'll have a video on that as well, on how I do it. And then I've got these, guys. The price is here $69.99. However, I got them for 50 rands, I believe. Let me just double check on my sleeve. Yes, I got these for 50 rands. This is a bath set. So what we have inside is a body lotion and a hand wash. So I'm gonna remove this. Okay, let's open them. This is how they look. So this is the hand wash. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel this sticker off, and then I'm going to paint this black. It's a hand wash. I'm gonna get some stickers printed to show that this is a hand wash, and then this is a, sorry guys, I know I said body lotion, this is a hand lotion. So I'm also going to remove this. This is cocoa butter. It smells, see? It smells okay. So I'm going to remove this also and just put a sticker that says hand lotion. So I'm going to have this on the bathroom that I'm redoing. So this is what I got. I got the hand wash set for 50 rands. And then, oh wow, the spray paints were on sale, because this was actually reading, which one was